right, we have these character trading cards we're going to work on. Now, I'm going to give you some examples, and I want you to work on these independently. You'll have all week long to work on these trading cards. You're going to draw the Pokemon if they're missing. As you can see, I do not have an Ash over here. As you can see, there is a Pikachu over here. But I want you to think about character traits and what are character traits. And I'm going to give you an example. We're going to work on Ash together. And then I'm going to leave you to do Pikachu and the next two screens, which is Team Rocket and Tapu Koko, to really think about what type of characters they are. And draw when you need to draw, guys. It's totally cool to use clip art if you need to do that. All right, so let's talk about Ash. What type of character is Ash? Well, he's a boy, right? And he's a Pokemon trainer. By the time he gets to Alola, he's already gone through Palatown and Violet Town and some of these other places. So he's become more experienced. His mission is to collect Pokemon, right? Is Ash, let's talk about Ash as a character. Is he confident in this book? In the Pokemon School Challenge, is he confident? I would say yes. I would say Ash is confident. And some of the other books prior to this one, not so much. So I would also say Ash likes to explore. And I would say that he is looking to capture all the, right? Remember we had regional Pokemon. Now that character trait means he's kind of inquisitive. Inquisitive. That means he is curious, all right? So well, maybe we'll change that to curious. That might be a better word. He's curious. So these are Ash's character traits. And as you go to draw Ash here, there's one little thing left down here to do. So who is Ash's Pokemon? Yeah, it's Pikachu. And I want you to do the same thing for character traits for Pikachu. Those are easy. Think about Pikachu. What type of Pokemon is he? Yeah, he's an electric, he's a mouse type. But what is his character like? Is he confident? Is he willing? Is he trustworthy? Is he loyal to Ash? Those are the words I want to see you write down. Here's my goal for you. I'm going to write it right here. I wrote a lot over here, and that's great. I am helping you through this. But remember, guys, in this class, there's no wrong answer. All I ask is that you try. And if you write one word down that describes Pikachu and it's yellow electric mouse type, rocket, it's good. So here's what we're going to say about Pikachu. I'm going to give you an example. I would like you to put 3 words down to describe his character. Those words could be, all right, these are mine, but you can use them if you want. He's loyal. He's a bit cunning, meaning he figures things out. And I would say he is also friendly. He's definitely friendly. Right? Those are good character traits, but think of your own. If you can add on to that list, that's great. Who's his trainer? Yeah, you guys know who that is, so make sure you fill that on your card. And then finally, the next one, if you would like you to do the same for Team Rocket, who is his Pokemon, and list their character traits. You know their character traits are maybe they're cunning, maybe they're devious. Those are words mean maybe they're not truthful, maybe they're sly, they're out to capture Pikachu often, they want to collect Pokemon. All right, the next one is Tapu Koko, and here's where I want you guys to be really creative. We don't know a lot about Tapu Koko, but you can find out a lot. You guys know a lot about that Pokemon and that character. He is a spirit guardian Pokemon, and he is very curious, and he has chosen Ash to receive that Z-Ring. So as you're thinking about what type of character he is, write down those words. Again, guys, my goal for you is 3 words. If you get more than that, that's awesome. Complete sentences are great, but if you don't get them, you can list just like I did on the other ones, 1, 2, and 3. If you get more, that's even better. So when you're done, you want to cut these cards out of the paper. There's 4 on your sheet of paper, and then you're going to fold it right down here in the middle, and you can either tape the edges together to make a trading card, or you can put a few dots of glue. Don't forget to draw your Tapu Koko over there. All right, guys, that brings us to the last part of the book. Woohoo, week 4 is next week. So make sure you read chapters 10, 11, and 12. We've almost made it to the end. You guys can do this. All right. Now, we have not reached the story climax yet. We will reach that in chapter 10, 11, or 12. So as you're reading next week, here's the last thing I'm going to leave you with. Think of that moment when the story changes, when Ash has accomplished his goal to collect Pokemon on Alola. All right, guys. As always, this is your Flex class. This is your Flex classroom. Check in whenever you want. I look forward to seeing your Tapu Koko trading card collection, your character cards from this week. Make sure you post them in the classroom so we can share in each of your results. Have a great week.